So welcome guys in our new video. Today we can study about how to install QQ media player in our PC or system. This video is very interesting for you, and today we can totally study about how to install QQ player. First we can rather study about how to use Chrome, how to use QQ player in our PC, and we can just study about this one. So QQ player setup we have enabled in our PC, and we can just right click and go to properties. We have QQ player setup English extension, type of file RAR, open with 7-zip file manager. We can having opening file, their name are 7-zip. Next one is size and size on disk. This one is our size, and they can be holding on this type of file extensions. Created Saturday February 2018. They can be created and modified this version. Assessed Saturday February. We have accessible file, and we can do to find let him. This one is our authorization, and this one is detail function. So we have we can install. We can just right click and we can to do open. If we can open a smart portfolio are coming in our screen, we can just to do enter, and some extension are be held on screen, and they can be take a small amount of time, and they can be open in our PC. We are to do just functional, and we can just opening this type of file folder. So make sure to subscribe. We are taking this type of functional, and we can giving you a null file ever. So guys, this type of file folder are be very seriously, and they can be held down ever. So this one is having file optional, and they cannot be installed correctly. So the next file is we can be held, and we can be checking. We are becoming exe to APK converter. We are just to do open, and we can just having a small functional, and we can just to press install setup. We can just to install setup, and they can be file are be extremely coming, and they can be going to be chest, and they cannot be installing properly. Next we can be Chrome. If we get Chrome bin, and they can be auxiliary time, and they can be taking AUXNet of ever. So we have a large amount of file cells. They can be taken, and they can be have a large amount of cells that. So we can not stoppable working, because we have a large amount of functional, and we are giving you a total premium work here. So next folder is we can checking about that, and you can be need this type of folder. We can just do a total converter, and we have a small functional ever. So select the language and use during installation. This one is our functional, and they can be taken a small amount of time. So next one is okay. You can do okay. Welcome to the accessible total video converter. Platinum setup wizard. They will be automatically filed converter platinum 6.1 on computer. If you recommended that type of close our application before continue. Click here to next, continue, or cancel setup here. So if we can to do next in our screen, and we have some license error, and if you can't subscribe, make sure to subscribe. We are license error. Please made following instant information before continuing. Please read the following license error. We have to do agreement, and we can just read, and we can just to do next acceptable file. If you can't check, I can go to setting and do to agreement, and we can just enter the agreement. So next one is select destination location. Where should your system total file converter platinum be installed? The file destination of our setup wizard is setup is installed total video converter platinum in the following setup folder. The continue, click next if you want to select. We are just selecting our file folder, and we can to do select and enter this type of file folder. If you can change the destination, go to browse file, and you can choose any type of new destination, and you can be installed every time here. Next one is next. So the next one is additional task. Select the additional task to like setup to perform the installing assessed The total video platinum is the next additional icon. Create a desktop icon, create a quick launch. We have all the user and we can just do. So we can selecting the null file and you can be obviously check it about and you can see all the settings here. So guys, you are administered 78 free file space and you can just need a small file. So guys, this type of symbol and this type of systems you can be need and you can totally be conversion this type of header. So guys, in new video we are giving you a null files. They can be obviously holding and checking about this type of header. So ready to install, we are installing and the file are installed in our PC and the completing the access tool video converter platinum software wizard. Setup has finished installing iSoft Total Video Converter Platinum in your system. So guys, you can check all the type of setting and if you have any type of trouble, you can ask me and I will clear all the settings for you. So meet in next video. Take yourself and held down.